Hello, this is Dr. Daniels with the Size-Wise Weight Management Program. Today we want to talk about how to lower your blood pressure naturally. How to lower your blood pressure naturally. Now, high blood pressure is a major health problem in the United States of America. As a matter of fact, among African Americans, and check out this statistic, among African Americans, almost 40% have high blood pressure. That means if you're African American, you know someone in your family, your community that has high blood pressure. So what's the significance of hypertension or high blood pressure? Well, it can cause a variety of health problems: heart attacks, stroke, kidney disease. In fact, high blood pressure doubles your risk of having a heart attack in your lifetime. Now, what is high blood pressure? So a normal blood pressure is 120 over 80. Current research suggests that if you keep your blood pressure under 120 over 80, you're less likely to have serious health problems over your lifetime. Then there's different levels of blood pressure problems. The first one is called pre-hypertension. That's when your top number of your blood pressure, that's called the systolic blood pressure, ranges between 121 and 139 on the top, or between 80 and 89 on the bottom. That is called pre-hypertension. And the reason that's an important category is that people who are pre-hypertensive are much more likely to develop full-blown high blood pressure. High blood pressure is when your blood pressure is greater than 140 over 90. Again, that's when it's greater than 140 over 90. Individuals that have blood pressures greater than 140 over 90 are the ones that are at higher risk for heart attacks and stroke and kidney disease. As a matter of fact, among African Americans, high blood pressure is the number one reason why individuals can end up on dialysis. That's when you have chronic kidney problems over time, and you have to have dialysis 3 times a week to cleanse your system of toxins that can build up. So again, high blood pressure in African Americans is the number one reason why they can end up on dialysis. So what are some natural things you can do to lower your blood pressure? Well, there's an excellent diet out there that I want to spend a few minutes talking about. It's been researched thoroughly that can really help lower your blood pressure. It's called the DASH diet, D-A-S-H diet. Dietary approaches to stop hypertension. That's what DASH stands for. And there's studies that show that you can lower your blood pressure anywhere from 10 to 15 points just by being on this diet. It's a diet that's high in grains, high in fruits and vegetables, low in fats and sugars, high in healthy proteins. So that would be like fish and poultry that's baked and broiled, not fried. Because as you know, if you fry something, you're going to add more fat to your diet. The key to the diet is that it is low in sodium. And we believe that sodium is a major risk factor for elevating blood pressure. In general, you really shouldn't have more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day. That's about a teaspoon per day. Most Americans get about double that in their diet, anywhere from 3,500 to 4,000 milligrams per day. And if you go eat at a fast food restaurant, you've probably gotten all of your dietary sodium in one meal. So our foods are packed with sodium. This diet is low in sodium. And that's one of the reasons why it's effective. It's also very high in potassium, magnesium, and calcium. These are minerals that naturally lower your blood pressure. Fruits and vegetables are full of healthy potassium, and that's one of the things that can really help your diet and your blood pressure. So you can Google it online. It's called the DASH diet. I don't want to go into a lot of details, but it gives you a breakdown of how many servings to do per day of each type of diet. And again, it is scientifically proven to help lower your blood pressure. The DASH diet, D-A-S-H diet. Google it and check it out. A couple other things I want to talk about. So there's a lot of supplements out there that have been proposed to lower blood pressure, and some of them are actually very good. One of the supplements I want to talk about is celery seed. Celery naturally can lower your blood pressure. And one of the reasons that it can is that it naturally pulls sodium out of your system. So by doing the celery seed extract or celery seed supplement, you can take it regularly to supplement what you're doing on the DASH diet, and it will help you to lower your blood pressure. So again, you can go online, you can Google it. It is celery seed or celery seed extract. A lot of health food stores will have it. You can follow the directions on the back of the bottle. Now, if you just love celery, you can also add more celery to your diet. You're going to have to do about 2 to 3 stalks per day, however, to get your blood pressure down. And so that's why I advise people to do the celery seed extract, because you don't have to do as much. But if you like celery, again, 2 to 3 stalks per day will be healthy. Now, one thing to keep in mind, because I always have patients ask me this, you can't do buffalo wings with the celery, and you can't do ranch dressing with it. You've got to just do the celery. A lot of times people want to add that to it, but then you're adding more fat to your diet. Now, finally, I want to talk a little bit about exercise, because exercise is very important in managing your blood pressure. If you're doing the DASH diet and you're exercising, you're going to be able to lower your blood pressure even more. One reason why is that when you exercise, you can manage your weight better. And weight loss is very key in keeping your blood pressure under good control. Just 5 pounds of weight loss is going to lower your blood pressure. 5 pounds can lower your blood pressure almost 4 to 5 points. So the more weight you lose, the better your blood pressure is going to be. The more you exercise, it naturally relaxes your blood pressures. So again, as I always mention, make sure you check out SizeWise. We have a program that can help you manage your blood pressure. We have several participants in our program who have lost weight, they're exercising, they're eating better, and their blood pressures have improved. One last thing, make sure you work on this DASH diet with your doctor. If you have high blood pressure, just don't stop your blood pressure medicines without talking to your doctor. Get on the diet, exercise, and as you lose weight, you'll start to see you may not have as much need for blood pressure medications. I've seen that in my practice. But make sure you work with a healthcare professional. Work with us here at SizeWise. We're a medically managed weight management program, and we can help you to reach your health goals. Have a great day.